Hi grade 12s, we are looking at another perspective drawing where we are given three views of a building and the information needed to draw the 2-point perspective drawing. So if we examine here, we have the top view as we've discussed previously of the building. So if you are standing right in front of this building as indicated by the arrow, this is the picture that you will see. This of course is the roof that you will find in the middle only. That apex of a roof is where you're going to find this apex here. Then you have this here, which is going to be that shape that you will see here, the slants here, and you will find it at every side of that square building. And then of course you have an archway here, and the archway stretches from this end here right through to that end over there. Then of course you are going to find a stoop, which is this bottom part that you will see here, and then there's a slight raised area which you are going to see right there. If you look at this side of your top view, then you will find that you have this view here, of which that here is going to be a roof with an apex at the top there. You are going to find that this shape is exactly as that shape over there, which basically means that it's all the way around. So there are 4 of these. Then, very interestingly, that you will have these lines here that are dashed, which indicate the different corners of this hexagon that you will see embedded into this wall over here. Alright, so with the 3 views that you have on your page, you also have the picture plane. And you will find that this line and those 2 points are actually touching the picture plane, which means that they can come directly down onto your ground line which you have here, which also makes them height lines. And then of course you have a horizon line which is up here, which is in a bird's eye view. And then of course you have your stationary point where you are standing viewing this particular building. The instructions are very clear. You need to complete the perspective drawing. You must align this page with your ground line. So you're going to go down and set it up with your ground line like that, so that the ruler of the T-square and the page are aligned. You need to determine and label the vanishing points on the sides here. And then of course you need to show all the necessary construction to be able to complete. So there's going to be lots of lines that you will find on this page as you unravel each part. You need to show all the internal lines seen through the hexagonal and arc openings. So these are openings which you can see right through, and whatever is situated on the inside in terms of corners need to be indicated. So the last bulleted point indicates that no hidden detail is required. So what I would suggest is that we look at something very easy first. We can either start with our stoop, which is our number 1 item, and then we can work our way to this second base item over there, and then we can have this building over here, which is number 3, and then we can have a look at the roof structure, which is number 4. So when you look at number 3 will be all these sides that you will see here, or the 4 sides that you will see here, and number 4 will be the roof that has a pinnacle in the center. So you need to determine what these angles are between this line and the picture plane, and by using your set squares you will be able to determine that. In this case you have a 60 degree on this side and you will have a 30 degree on that side, and that you will be able to use striking it from your stationary point onto your picture plane and straight down, and wherever the point crosses the horizon line, that becomes your left and right vanishing point. Learners, let us complete this perspective drawing by unpacking each part as we have it in our planning.